Hey guys, it's Emily, and right now I'm outside, and today I'm gonna be doing kinetic sand. If you guys don't know what's kinetic sand, right there, it's sand, but not original sand that sticks together. So right now we're gonna get on to the video. So right now I made up with Roxy.
Hi.
No. So I got the kinetic sand. Got it, and let's open it up. Whoa. So right now we have the sand, which is pink. Some tools. We got a dragon, a castle, a princess, a wand, and it has a little prince face on the back. This, I don't know what it's called, so a little frog, a frog prince, and then a dragon, dinosaur. So we have this thing to use it, but I don't want to use it, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start off doing the castle. We got little friends in the back right there. You can't see it because it went away. Yay. I already opened it, so I took it off. Took it out. So right now my brother just came and I'm with my friend Kimberly, and she's gonna be playing with me. She's shy.
Oh my
So
God.
you wanna do it or not?
No.
Okay, since she changed her mind, she doesn't want to do it.
They even walk in
Yeah, but I don't use it. So I have that. I'm gonna take.
a night bracelet. Now he can go outside. My mom never buys
Who?
If he goes outside. But today I'm getting
Who?
Is someone in your house that I hear a voice?
Alejandra?
Do you have a princess?
Huh?
What do you have a princess?
Carla? Oh, Carlos.
I thought Carlos was the calmest one.
No.
I'm gonna kill this princess. See, look.
Kissing out.
Look, I'm gonna kill it. See, look. There's a prince here, right? There's a prince, right? And they wear their pants down. I know. If there's a prince, could kiss the princess. Ew.
There is a prince.
I know that. Oh my goodness, that's freaky. Anything I do a castle. No, you're doing it.
Yeah. So right now it looks like that.
It's kinetic.
Yep.
Connects to everything. Like,
No, it just connects to the sand.
yeah. I never got one of those. How much did they call anyway?
$7.
Wow.
I know, right? My brother's right there.
You know he's hitting people.
So there.
Can I get some sand and build the prince?
Why?
Build the prince.
Why?
Don't
I'm
play
gonna.
with a Byron. You'll be going in wrong steps. Even don't
Who was a buyer? Well, I already play. I play with them sometimes.
This
You're
is
going
one.
bad place. They're gonna tell you to go do the same thing.
I know.
Don't play with them. Play with someone else, but not them.
Angel invited them to his birthday.
No, not both of them. Only Elvira. She was nicer to me.
Even Vicky, Angel, even Vicky, so shut up.
Look.
So I got the castle.
No!
Smart girl.
I'm not lying. Why are you lying? I'm not lying.
So I made it right now.
Kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. Whatever.
So use this.
You just don't get out.
So right now I'm gonna get more sand. You know what, guys? I actually don't want to use the tools. Let me put the tools away.
I'm just gonna build this princess.
So I just want to have fun with the kinetic.
Oh my goodness, this keeps coming out. But I just take it out and look. Just falls when I take it out.
Pink.
You
Guys,
have a
can't
pink
see.
face.
Put it on. Oh, you're using.
Yeah, just
So,
a little bit. See,
look, guys. When you do that, it goes down.
I know, right?
Like a rain.
I know, right? It's not even that kinetic.
Rain. Like a rain.
Lyra's my girlfriend.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cartwheel.
Lyra's my girlfriend.
Kinetic sand. Kinetic sand.
Oh yeah.
I know, right? When I just took the prince out and then look, just happens that.
Guys, I'm gonna do 2 more minutes from this video because I need to do it short. So yeah.
Like to me, they keep saying go to Angel, go to Angel.
Look,
Well, I think they say that.
Huh.
does he have Pokemon? Kinetic sand.
Eat it.
Emily,
What?
pone tu camisa que te va a hacer mal.
No,
Te va a ver
no.
tu papá así, te va a sonar, ya vas a ver.
Ni está frío.
Ponte la camisa.